Hello, this is Mrs. Reister with Lesson 5.2, Example 2. Jordan's store is going out of business, and for the first week, he wants to mark everything down 25%. He has a hoverboard that normally sells for $150. What is the discount price for the hoverboard after the discount? So we've got some new vocabulary here where we're talking about a discount. A discount essentially means that something is on sale and we do not have to pay full price. So when it says that everything is marked down 25%, it means we are paying 25% less than the original price. So in this problem, we're paying 25% less than $150. So our first step is to figure out, well, what is 25% of $150? So I'm going to take my 25%, express it as a decimal, and multiply it by 150, which is $37.50. And because it is discounted that price or marked down that much, we are going to take the original price of $150 and we are going to subtract from that the discounted amount to find the new price. So our new price here of this particular hoverboard, Jordan is now selling this hoverboard for $112.50.